Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. Also, check out my giveaways on my channel. I give away things about every 2 weeks, so check it out. So basically today I will be talking about the Tacklife Tool and Home Improvement Precision Screwdriver Bit Set. As you can see here in my description there will be a link of where to buy. It comes in a nice little package just like this. As you can see, get it open, and it's nice and small. As you can see right here. So you have screwdriver, you have a bit, so in case you have tough areas, and then you have all your screwdriver tips. Pretty nice little container. Very nice. Could put it right in your back pocket. Let's get it open. As you can see, when you open it, the screwdriver tips goes right up. And that is pretty cool. You have a lot of different Torx, screwdriver tips, Phillips, all type of tools you need for electronic fixing or computer fixing. It's pretty cool. It also comes with a little tweezers. As you can see, this is the screwdriver. You put your tips right into there. And then you have this, just in case you get the tough areas. It is bendable. Once you turn, it turns the top. So it's pretty cool. And for the price, you can't go wrong. And I like that it's very portable. You can really take it anywhere you like to take it. And I like how this goes up and down. It doesn't mix up. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Recommend it. Like I said, check out my YouTube channel for the free giveaways. Maybe one day this will be in one of the giveaways. Well, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.